Okay, so if you're publishing on KDP, your title isn't just a name. It's a searchable real estate. And Publisher Rocket helps you write one that actually ranks. Here's what I do. I open up Rocket, go to keyword search, and type in my niche, like epic fantasy. Then I scroll through to find those longer phrases people are actually searching. Like stuff like epic fantasy sword and sorcery or epic fantasy romance adventure. I take one of those high traffic phrases and make it the front half of my title. Then I add a second line that includes more keywords or benefits. Like epic fantasy sword and sorcery, a stakes fantasy romance between warriors, royals, and magic. And that's it, title done. Searchable, specific, and built from real data. If you want to start writing titles people can actually find, click the link in the description and check out Publisher Rocket. I use it for every book I publish because good keywords, more eyeballs, more sales.